Hi friends, this is Nived. So in this video, I am demonstrating how we can send a Telegram notification about the orchestrator events. We know that there are a lot of events that can occur in Orchestrator, like when a job is created, when let's say queues are created, or when the queues are deleted. Sometimes there is a need that the user or the person may have to be notified about these events. For this, in Orchestrator, there is a feature called Webhooks. So this using these webhooks, we can able to know about what are the events occurring in the orchestrator. So in this video, I am demonstrating how we can do it. Here, how I had done is whenever some events is being triggered in the orchestrator using the webhooks, I'm connecting to a Python web server which I had developed using Flask, and then which actually in turn receive the events as a part of the webhooks and then send it as a Telegram notification. So this is all what I am demonstrating to the video. Let's see its functionality. So let's go to Orchestrator. Here you can see there are three queues. So what I do is I just delete one queue. Let me delete the queue Nived. So when you delete that queue, you can see that it is received in this web server, and from the web server it is sent as a Telegram notification. Yeah, you can see it actually, this is the orchestrator monitor channel that I had created. To this you can see that my Telegram bot sent a message regarding that event, about the event. Let's say the event is queue deleted, its event ID, the timestamp, that means at the time at which the event has occurred, and about, let's say if the queue is deleted, we can get information about the queue, about its ID, name, description, everything. Okay. Oh, let's say you're let's say you are uh, we can take another example. Let's say regarding robots. Let me create yeah, so let me delete this robot. If you wait for some time, you can see a Telegram notification is being sent. Yeah, you can see type robot deleted, event ID, timestamp, information about robot, ID, name, everything is being sent here. So the advantage or the use what about using this Telegram notification method is, we can, a user, let's say a developer, can able to be notified about the events that are occurring in the orchestrator. So that is the application by using this one. So hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe for more updates. Thank you.